The internet is good to talk to, so you can talk to some people.
The internet could be better by making age limits on certain things and making even more like Facebook things for kids and people like that.
The internet is good for to help us with our work, for research and information.
Keep your profile on private. The internet's good because you can FaceTime people and The internet's good because you can talk to your friends and just talk to them.
The internet is good because you can play games when you want.
The internet is good because if you have tricky homework, you can search